So hello guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to make pancake with just a couple of ingredients per se. With just a couple of ingredients. So let's get started. First thing you'll be needing is obviously your ingredients. So what are your ingredients? Egg, sugar, water, flour, and a little bit of salt. And obviously a mixing device. You need a bowl and a blender, or a bowl and a mixer. I prefer easy blenders because obviously it's easy to come by and it's in everybody's house. So I got my blender here. 2 eggs. How do you crack your eggs? However you want. So I hit my eggs together. The remaining egg, I hit it with the blender. And I trash. So what goes in next? Into the blender, obviously. Milk. I use sachets of thick milk because I'm making a very small batch. A very small batch. Then come with me, let's go and get my sugar. I am the sugar, but let's go and get my sugar. I'm practically my floor. Well, sorry about that. We're here now. So I'm adding just a little bit of sugar. Or a little bit of diabetes. We need sugar to make it sweet, so. For the sugar, you can always test if you need more sugar. But you cannot reduce the sugar quantity if you over add sugar. So you always put small sugar, then you test if you need more sugar, then you adjust for your sugar. But then water next. Just about half sachet will do. Obviously, what comes next? We blend. Then we'll pour the mix into our bowl. I tell you what, this is the only way you can get a perfect blend. This is the only way. But this is the best method per se, not the only way you can get a perfect blend. So what's left? Flour. Please add your flour in bits so you don't get to add more water at the end of the day. So basically that's like the mixing of the pancake batter. What's happening next right now is we will have to fry it. Yes, we fry pancake batters. We fry pancake. We will have to fry the pancake batters. I don't know why this gimbal is misbehaving, but it should better behave. So now we're frying. You will start to preheat your oil, your empty pan, and just allow it to get hot before you start frying per se. So now the pan is hot enough, so just add a little bit of oil. This oil is just to allow, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just to allow the pancake not stick per se. Then you have a measuring spoon or a cup, whatever you want to use. So I use this soup spoon just to scoop a bit. So after scooping, you just spread it around manually and allow it to fry. So when you see the top has dried, totally, then you prepare to flip. This first batch is normally very difficult to flip. So you just go round and under. First batches are normally very difficult to flip. Then you flip. Then give room for the other side to bake. So I'm going in with my second batch. you can bring the oil close to your batter so it doesn't spill around. So yeah guys, I think I've made a comprehensive video on how to make pancakes. Don't forget guys, I'm having a class on baking coming up, and the price is going to be super cheap on how to bake efficiently without no tools. So yeah, this is our pancake. If you like this video, don't forget to follow me. But I think I did a good job, so let me just dig in.